Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing the cyclone graph problem. The cyclone graph problem, we can think of it like we are going to be provided an array of edges. So you can see that. Right, so using this example over here, so let's say we take this input. If we go over here and we map this is going to be looking something like this, right? So you have node 0 that points to node 1 and points to node 3, and then you have node 1 which points to node 2 and node 3 and node 4. So that's how it's pointed, and what you want to see is if there is a cycle. So let's say if point 4 points back to 0, then that will be doing the whole thing, right? In this case, so you're pointing to 1 and 3, 3 is not pointing to anyone, and 2 is pointing back to 1, which makes this a complete cycle. So this is what we want to check, and one of the ways to make this happen is by using colors, right? The idea is that you paint them and you traverse for each point. Once you go, let's say, under 1 and you traverse all of them, then you paint them as black. But in this case, because it's pointing back, it's going to be white. It's going to be green or gray, right? So that's how we can think of it. So yeah, let's code this program now. So first, we had to set up the colors, right? So we can sequence and we say white equals 0 to 3, right? What we want to do here is first we want to make all the color. We want to create an array which is full of white, right? Which is just and to fill it out. Let's check first if it makes sense. Okay. And no errors so far. So I'm assuming this is correct. And then we want to for every edge, we want to check if they are not white, which means that they are the green or they're the gray or black. So we say if color and to if it's a white, then you want to continue, right? We want to skip it. Otherwise we want to run a program where we want to check inside, and we probably want to have like a node, color, and edge map, and edges. So yeah, so So it's not white, then we want to check what color is it, right? So we could see that if the color is gray, then of course you just return it, right? But otherwise, it's already busy then. Let me check something. Yeah, right, so you can see, there you go, I wasn't wrong. So otherwise we want to check in cycle. And just check the node, the column of the edges, and then we return true. Otherwise, we skip it and we turn it like visit, which is the black depends. And you can see it should be true. Yeah, there you go. So that's true. And now we want to check if it's cycle, right? So here we have a function, and we say if the function is in cycle, and the way we can do it is we say so first we paint it off green, and once this is painted, we say that's visited, right? And to check what's inside of it. So for each pointed, we ask the color, right? Is equal to gray. Then we return true, which means that it was already visited. Otherwise, right, then we check in cycle of the in that's the case, we return false and make the edge to be actually black, which means it doesn't have any thing on the cycle, right? You see? Python, sorry. Same false. The same is true here. Oh my god. This is probably like logic, so let's check. Otherwise, I mean that looks good for me. Let's see. Let's see if I missed something. It actually looks pretty well to me. Yeah. That looks good, this looks good. Hmm. Here we go.